The Oslo Stock Exchange is a stock exchange in the Nordic nations that now provides Norway's sole regulated marketplaces for securities trading. Equities, derivatives and fixed income products are all available on the stock exchange. The Euronext consortium of European stock exchanges operates the Oslo Stock Exchange. The OBX index comprises the 25 most traded shares listed on the Oslo Børs. There are 220 listed companies on the Norwegian exchange. They are denominated in Norwegian Krones. The Oslo Stock Exchange contains equity certificates issued by Norwegian savings banks in addition to Norwegian and international corporations having shares listed. The distinction between shares and equity certificates has to do with who owns the company's assets and how much power banks have in their administrative bodies. Norway's economy is a well-developed mixed economy with governmental ownership in key industries. Despite being susceptible to global business cycles, Norway's economy has grown steadily since the Industrial Revolution began. In comparison to other European nations, the country boasts a very high quality of life and a well-integrated social system. Norway's sophisticated industrial and welfare systems rely on a financial reserve generated by natural resource extraction, primarily North Sea oil. Presently, the North Sea's oil output has reached its peak. In the broad Norwegian sections of the Norwegian Sea, new oil and gas resources have been discovered and exploited. In contrast to other Nordic nations like Sweden and notably Finland, there has been minimal government motivation to assist in the creation and fostering of new sectors in the private sector since the 1970s because of the oil boom. However, in recent decades, national and municipal governments have begun to provide incentives to foster the establishment of new mainland businesses that are internationally competitive. Aside from expectations for a high-tech economy, there is significant interest in fostering small company growth as a potential source of employment. Most nations have double taxation treaties with Norway. Therefore, in most circumstances, you will only have to pay capital gains tax on the sale of Norwegian shares in your own country. The European Union's economic sentiment indicators and the Norwegian Statistics SSB short-term indicators will be the most valuable sources of information for research on Norwegian stocks. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.